And welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Now I want to start this video off a little bit different today. I just want to start off by saying thank you so much to all of you out there that are still subscribing to me, support my channel basically. Sometimes I find it quite hard to upload, to film, to even get out of bed sometimes due to my back condition. If you're not sure what I'm talking about, I have actually done a video on this, so you can go through my channel and you can have a look, or I'll leave a little card up here so you can click on that and you can have a look. I do have prolapse discs in my back, and sometimes even getting out of bed or just being able to do that everyday stuff that everyone does is a little bit difficult for me. I just wanted to say that if I don't upload for 3 or 4 weeks, it is probably to do with my back. I absolutely love YouTube. I love filming. I even love editing, believe it or not. But I just wanted to say thank you, because your support, it just means the absolute world to me. I love all the little comments I get from you guys. It just makes my day when I read those comments. So yeah, I just wanted to start off by saying thank you so much. You guys really, really mean the world to me. So the whole point in going into Home Bargains was basically because I know I don't have a Christmas background at the minute, and I really, really wanted to pick up some little bits that I can just jazz up my background, make it look really, really Christmassy. And I saw this. I absolutely love this. It is rose gold, one of my favourite colours of all time. Sequins, love a bit of bling, and it's got white pearls on it. This was like $1.49. It was so inexpensive. But I just thought in my background this would look really, really pretty. Maybe some Christmas lights around it. Just jazz a little background up a little bit. So yeah, I picked this one up. And if you see the detail on that, it is so, so beautiful. I just thought $1.49, that is just going to look lovely in my background. In fact, let me see if I can put it here. You see? Background looking Christmassy already. So the next item I pick up, I always pick this up when I go into Home Bargains or to Poundland or anywhere like that. And it is just these erasers. Now they're called different things in different shops, like in Poundland I think they're called magic erasers. These are only £1 and they are really good if you have scuffs on your walls, or if you have children and they've drawn on your walls maybe. You wet them down with water and you wipe them away, and they don't take the paint off the wall either. These are really, really good, and they're only £1, so highly recommend these. So I ventured down the cleaning aisle as I always do, and I picked myself up some 1001 Carpet Fresh. But this is not just any ordinary Carpet Fresh, it's a limited edition Carpet Fresh. It's the frosted winter berries, and this stuff smells amazing. I sprayed this on my couch the other day, and today I can still smell it. So this stuff you can spray on your carpets, on your furniture, on your bedding, anywhere you want, and it doesn't even need vacuum up, and it smells amazing. It was $1.79, so grab some of these while you can, because they are going off the shelves really quickly. Next up, down the clean aisle again, I picked myself up some Sephora. I love Sephora. I always pick this up, but I needed some Christmassy scents because yeah, my cupboard didn't have any. So I picked up myself the Winter Spice. This is the 250ml one, and this smells insane. Literally got cinnamon in it, and I think it's got vanilla in it, and it just smells so, so nice. And I have already opened this, I'm not gonna lie. Because I picked that one up, I had to pick this one up as well. Now this is only a little one, it's only 120ml, and this one's £1, but this one is the limited edition, and it is the Winter Morning. And now I may have a little confession to make. I've actually, like I said, I bought this stuff a week ago and I've already used, look, it's nearly gone. I mean, I'm obsessed with this stuff. It is so, so nice in my house. It smells so fresh. I put it in water bottles. I put it in my sink at night. And when I wake up in the morning, it's just beautiful. I'm obsessed with it. And I've got to go and get myself some more now because I've nearly used it all. But trust me, this stuff is amazing. go and get yourself some because these are flying off the shelf. The next item is probably one you've seen before on my channel because I've had one before, and it is this beautiful vase. I love this. This is $3.99. Let me just give you a little bit of a close up. This is $3.99. The last one I had was actually silver, but a lot of my stuff in my kitchen is rose gold, so I saw this one and I thought, got to pick it up. I love to put this in the middle of my cooker. I put flowers in it and it just looks so nice. So yeah, picked up another one, rose gold, and it is just stunning. But like I said, they do have silver in there still, so if you want to get one of these and you prefer a silver one, then go and grab one because they are really lovely. So Christmas is coming up really fast, and I thought I needed to pick up some little bits here and there just for the grandchildren to put in their stocking maybe, or just to wrap up as extra presents. Amelia picked this one up, and it is the Peppa Pig book, and it was only 89p. So I actually forgot this was in the bag, and I was meant to give it to Amelia. So yeah, Amelia's my granddaughter, by the way, and if you go and watch my video, she's actually in some of that video and she's really quite funny. So this was 89p, Peppa Pig. They had loads and loads of books in there, so 89p for a really nice quality book. Kids absolutely love Peppa Pig, so yeah, go pick some up. These are really good Christmas presents. So as you know, I have 3 grandchildren, and I saw these and I just thought, I know they're going to love these. So I picked up these beautiful storybooks for them. They are $1.99 each, but what drew me to these was this middle part here is full of water, and then it's just got some really beautiful sequin stars in. This is Fairy Poppy's Magic Wish. Then I also picked up Princess Snow and the Unicorn, and again, if you have a look, again it's full of water, and then it's just got these little stars in, which I just thought, what a little added extra for a little book. So I picked this one up for Finley, and it's the Little Bears Magic Christmas. Again, $1.99, and again full of water with little stars in. They're going to love these. There's little extra presents to open, and who doesn't like a little book at Christmas? Yeah, I just thought it was a real good bargain. The retail price is actually $7.99, and I got them for $1.99, so yeah, I was really pleased with those. I also picked these up to put in stockings for them. Here I've got Freddos, little Freddos in a box, and dairy buttons, and I think the kids are going to love these. I picked these up for £1.50. I'm going to have to go and get some more because I did actually pick up another 2, but you know, the girl got a little bit hungry, so yeah, I need to replace those ones. Also, as a little stocking filler, I saw this and I just thought, how cute. I need to go and get some more though, because I only picked up 1. But yeah, I need to go back and get some more because I have 3 grandchildren and 3 stockings to fill. So it's basically a little bar fizzer, but it's got a little toy inside. It's got a little squishy toy in there. These were only $1.49. You know you're going to get your kid in the bath if you tell them that there's a little bar fizzer with a toy in it. You're going to get them in the bath. So I picked up these 2 little bath puffs. I've actually got a pink one for me, and I bought a blue one for Brandon because he's not going to be wanting to wash himself in a pink puff. Yeah, I had to think about him as well. So 59p each. I always run out of these. I always need to replace them, and I just thought, I saw them for 59p, and I think it's the cheapest I've ever seen them for. So I thought, pick myself up a couple of those. So we're coming to the last few bits now. I'm on my last bag now. But I picked up one of these. It is getting so cold outside at the minute, and the other day I needed to scrape ice off my window on my car, and all I had in my car was this little tiny bit of cardboard, and my hands were freezing. So I saw this and I just thought, what a good idea. It was literally 99p, and I just thought, such a good idea. It's just this little scraper. It's just going to come in really handy when I've got ice on my window this time, so I'm not going to get cold hands. As you know, I have wax melt burners all over my house. I think I have about 5 of them. I'm slightly obsessed, I think. But I picked up some more wax melts because I was in need of them. I've literally run out. I don't know how, because I had loads, but I run out. These are from the True Living range. There's quite a few fragrances in this, but I picked up the salted caramel. So they just look like this. You've got 6 in a pack, and these smell, I mean, they smell good enough to eat, and they just smell so good. I cannot wait to burn these tonight. I also picked up the Wickford & Co ones because I love these, and again they're so affordable. These are $1.79, I think. They might be a little bit cheaper, but I can't remember. I picked up warm apple and cinnamon. I've actually had this one before and I love it. It just makes your house smell so wintry and just so cozy. So I had to pick up some more. So they just look like this. And with this pack, you actually get 8 in a pack. Yeah, I think that's why they were $1.79, because you get 8 in a pack, and with this one you get 6. So yeah, I think they were $1.79. For the bottom of the wax melts, I needed some little tea light candles. I'm not gonna lie, I fell in love with the packaging. These little gingerbread men just look so cute. So I picked up these. And they, as you can see, they're Wickford & Co again, and they are the gingerbread scents, and they just smell so good. I'm sure these were $1.49. So you get 18 in a pack and they burn up to 4 hours. So $1.49, that's not bad, is it? And I literally can't wait to burn these tonight. So last but certainly not least, I picked myself up a Wickford & Co candle. These candles smell so nice. One of these people that pick up Yankee candles, go and look at this in Home Bargains. They are $2.99 and they smell amazing. This was my favourite one. It was the vanilla sugar cookies and it looks like this. How nice did these look on here? I can't wait to light this tonight. It smells so good. You know when you've got freshly baked cookies? That's what this smells like. Freshly baked cookies. I mean, who would not want that smell wafting around their house? And it burns for 95 hours. So I can't wait to light this tonight. I'm so excited about lighting this. That's everything I picked up in Home Bargains. Like I said, I am definitely going back there. There were a few Christmas decorations that I saw that I really wanted to pick up, but I didn't. I don't know why, but I didn't. But perhaps it's because I needed to go back. I don't know. So I hope you enjoyed this video today, guys. Let me know in the comments which was your favourite item. Mine has to be the Wickford & Co candle because I cannot wait to light that tonight. Also, I'm so glad I found that vase in the rose gold because, yeah, it's just going to look so much better in my kitchen rather than the silver. If you've got any ideas on any videos you want to see, any places that you'd like me to go come shopping, then just let me know in the comments. So that's everything today, guys, and I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys. Mwah.